Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with VideoLeap. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar just type in videoleapapp.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for VideoLeap. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, simply click on the Start Free Trial button at the top right corner. This will then take you into the sign up section. Now from the sign up page, you have 4 different options to sign up and create a new account. You can do this using your Google, your email address, your Facebook or your Apple account if you're on iOS. Simply click on any one of those options which might be suitable for you. If you select sign up with Google, you will need to select your Google account or sign in to your Google account if you haven't done so already. Now you will be given some instructions about how the trial works. Click on the continue button and now you will be asked to download the application. You can click on get it on Google Play or the iOS App Store and then click on the install button, and then from there you can install the application and fill up your payment information. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with VideoLeap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.